We are going to do a smoky eye, and super simple. We are keeping it drugstore, and we are keeping it down to 3 products. This is the look. We're going to be using the L'Oreal eyeshadow stick, a Revlon eyeliner. The only thing that's not drugstore is my mascara. But these 3 products is my eyes. That's it. These are probably the easiest things in the world to use. I have tried shadow sticks from many brands. Bobbi Brown Cosmetics has one of my favorite ones. I've played around with Laura Mercier. I don't own any, but I have played around with them. And we're gonna try these L'Oreal ones. I tried the ones from Maybelline, and I have a video. I will put a card up here somewhere. I hate those. I don't know if I got a bad batch, but I hate them, and I did see a couple of videos talking about they did not like them. So these are great because if you don't have a brush, you can really pinpoint where you're gonna apply this. You can use your fingers, that's fun. Okay, so this is your primer, your shadow all in one. It can be a liner as well if you can get the point a little bit thinner. This one is Brown Abyss. That is a super creamy formula. Wow. Let's see the blend. Blends beautifully. I'll just re-swatch it so you can see. Very creamy. This is good. So if you don't want to be tugging at your eyes, this is just gonna glide across. Next is Twinkly Rose. That's Twinkly Rose. I just want to see how this one blends. All right, formula is consistent across the board. I mentioned the that Maybelline one. That was horrible. So those are the 2 shades I have. I don't know if I'm going to use both of them. I'm definitely going to use that Brown Abyss one. All right. So if you take it and you just kind of roll it out a tiny bit, I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna run it across my lower part of my lid. So with this, you can get like a nice kind of thick liner. Oh, that's right. I wanted to take a brush. This is from my cat hair. This is from my Kit Co. And with this, so the formula feels a little bit like damp. You can blend this up. Oh, I will say it started to set already, and that was kind of quick. All right, so you don't have time to play with these. Let's do another swipe and blend. As long as you start blending, as soon as you apply it, you have a few seconds to blend it out. It does set pretty quick though, so just keep that in mind. And again, this is the Brown Abyss color. So I'm just gonna pull some from the brush, from the applicator, and I just kind of wanna pull this corner out, almost like a wing, but not really. So smoky eye is like easy. If you have a color like this and you just kind of go from the lower lash and then you just want to bring it up slightly to the crease, that is the easiest way to like fake a smoky eye. See the difference? And that's that's pretty quick. Now I'm actually gonna take it directly under the eye. So I'm gonna look up and just line underneath. Doesn't have to be perfect. Again, move quick. You can even close your eye for this part. You got it so close to the lash line, we're just taking the brush and going back and forth underneath. Super time, like if you feel like it's going too low, you just take your finger and kind of go like this. You can take a little micellar water, that'll do the trick. I'm gonna take this eyeliner. So this one is, what is this one called? Mischief Maker. And this is a kind of a reddish plum. This color is beautiful if you have brown eyes like me. I am gonna be bold and I'm gonna line my waterline because it's gonna make my eyes pop. Do you guys see that? It like makes the yellowy gold part of my brown eyes really pop. So that's cool. That's a fun little something. Also gonna just line the top actually. What I like about this liner too, it has a nice like little brush at the end. So if you want to smudge out that line or sort of perfect it, you can. Mascara. Well, I need to curl my lashes. I'm doing one eye and then I'll do the other one. Just don't want this video to be forever and then you guys are bored. So, curl. Black mascara, it's a must. Especially if you have like dark hair, dark lashes. The only time I ever recommend a brown mascara is if you are like, excuse me, very, very fair and you have like very blonde hair, or you have like red hair. It just looks a little more natural. So this is a nice kind of easy smoky eye. It's very sultry, there's like warm tones to it. Very easy. This lasts all day. So love the formula. It's creamy, it moves like it blends really nice, but you have to move quick. These are fun. These are fun. They come in multiple colors. I love that there's a brush at the end too, and really nice in the waterline. I've reviewed this mascara before. I can see why everybody likes it. It's lengthening, it's very black, it's just beautiful. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in my next one.